March 23, 2024. In a swift response to old Vincenzo's urgent call, the XRP army has mobilized to combat the nefarious tactics of the banking cartel. With coordinated precision reminiscent of B-52 bombers, supporters are urged to unite, hitting the like and subscribe buttons below to amplify the battle cry. Reports reveal that criminal gangsters have infiltrated not only the United States government but also the cryptocurrency markets, executing maneuvers with military precision to exploit and deceive retail traders. Their goal to strip away both their wealth and their trust. However, standing firm against this onslaught are old Vincenzo and his formidable team of jabroni killers, fortified by unwavering principles of truth and integrity. Together they lead the charge, resolute in their defense of XRP and its community. The XRP army remains vigilant and informed, recognizing the overt manipulation orchestrated by world banking cartels. In light of recent events, the XRP army calls upon its members to unite in spreading truth and facts. It's imperative to remain vigilant and informed, recognizing the manipulative tactics orchestrated by world banking cartels. These entities aim to portray cryptocurrencies unfairly, branding them as tools of organized crime, money laundering, and drug dealing. Their goal is clear: to stifle the growth of digital assets and sow fear among retail traders, all while manipulating citizens into supporting government intervention. From orchestrated black ops to false narratives, the tactics employed by these entities are insidious. FTX, Three Arrows Capital, Luna, Celsius, all are victims of this orchestrated campaign executed flawlessly by criminal gangsters. Yet amidst the chaos and propaganda, there shines a beacon of hope, old Vincenzo and the power of that subscribe button. Let us stand together in peace and love, united in our determination to protect the future of XRP. In light of recent
VINCENZO'S Gold Crypto Investing on the 23rd of March 2024. If we can believe this already, bell notification like the promo said before, and a phenomenal, gorgeous, glowing, beautiful early spring day with a high temperature of 51 degrees in the greater Bloomington metropolitan area in central Illinois under sunny skies and a early spring crystal blue brightening sky, right? The Bitcoin price was up about 2.5% on Saturday, but now the new daily candle has started, and it's been fluctuating a little bit down, a little bit up, and right now it's even. The XLM price had a nice rally yesterday, and it is even today. Everything's even right now, but they all had a nice rally on Saturday, coming off the lows. Something that I wanted to talk about that I seen here: hospitality worker caught with 2.5 billion Bitcoin fund guilty of money laundering. Sucks for her. Would have been a good story for her. There was something in here I wanted to, of course it won't be in here. They must update this a lot and shuffle things around, because it was talking about Bitcoin and jobs, right? And I thought it was interesting, but I don't know where it's at. I don't see it right now, right? And it was right at the top, and it was just earlier today. Oh, right here. Crypto jobs on the rise. It is right at the top. I don't know how I missed that. Oh, because it's on the right. Crypto jobs on the rise is big. I thought this was an interesting article. Bitcoin's stellar performance, reaching all-time highs, igniting a 54% rally year to date, has led to a significant uptick in job opportunities in the crypto market. Digital assets like Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, and Gemini, which laid off a lot of workers during the bear market of 2021 and 2022, are aggressively expanding their workforce. Even traditional finance powerhouses like Fidelity are on the lookout for fresh talent, inciting a broader industry revival. Crypto jobs on the rise, right? Which is very good when you got people starting to work, make money, get jobs. BNline crypto jobs and Web3 for insurance reported an uptick in job listings between January and March, boasting more than 8,400 positions. Companies like Chainlink, Labs, Ledger, and Animoca brands are looking to fill different crypto positions, from marketers to engineers and content writers, right? Industries titans like Coinbase, for instance, witnessed a 330% increase in trading volume over the past year. Meanwhile, companies' shares coin reached a 115-week high at $275, which is very important. Fidelity and BlackRock are also ramping up their crypto-related hiring efforts. The former is looking for an investment risk vice president, while the latter is searching for a global markets lawyer that indicates a key interest from traditional finance institutions in tapping into growing crypto markets, right? So that's very important. You got big companies with tens of billions of dollars in assets and businesses like a Fidelity and a Coinbase and a BlackRock, right? These people are heavily investing into this industry for a reason. They haven't been heavily investing in creating jobs and infrastructure, right? For no reason, just for it to all flop away. There will be use case in crypto, right? And people are getting hired and things are happening. I just thought that was important, that when you were in a bear market, the latter part of 2021, but specifically 2022 and very early, but mostly 2022 is when it all happened. You were having Coinbase in places laying off people, right? Let alone going bankrupt. The companies that weren't going to go bankrupt were laying their workforce off, right? And it was a very bad year for them. But now they're starting to hire people as the momentum is starting to come back. We've weeded out a lot of the bad investment, the malinvestment, the scams, the shysters, and heisters and criminals that were in there. And you shake them out and expose them, and it's painful for people that get caught up in a hard-working, good people that put their better judgment aside to try to get the quick penny, put money into some of these companies like BitConnect, like Binance, right? Oh, Binance hasn't went down yet. But Three Arrows Capital, FTXs of the world, right? The Lunas and shit like that. You were fleece heisted and shysted, and all because you tried to get the quick buck. But the Bitcoin price, this is a quick update. It's very late at night. $66,255.86. If you break that, you're making a run at an all-time high, right? Which isn't saying too much because you're almost at your all-time high now, but that's where you would make your run. If you get rejected off this $66,255.86, you're coming down here to that area of the mean double top in the zoomed out way far back left machine, right? Back from 2022 into 2023, the end of the bear market's the mountain double top. We all remember that right here. That's the mean. That would be where you come back down if you get rejected off of this $66,000 level. You come back down to the $58,000 level, and that's a critical area because this is going to do one of two things. You're either going to jostle around here and then lose support and fall all the way back within this rising channel right here that you've been in ever since the bear market ended. Some would say the bear market, obviously the bear market ended, at least in Bitcoin. This is a bull market rally. Started right here, and it's been in a rising channel, and it's just steady, sort of like he's climbing stairs all the way up in a bull market with a consistent uptrending upper resistance and a consistent uptrending lower support, right? Sometimes you dip below it, sometimes you peak above it, but you get consistent resistance and consistent support over a lengthy, in this case, well over a year's period of time. And now we're attempting to break out to the upside, which we did at its all-time high. And one of two things are going to happen here. Either you're going to fail to come back up into here and breach this and make a new all-time high. I guess there's three things, because step one, you could come up here and then get rejected and then have a big flush back into this area, and then we'll see what happens. You slip down and then have a huge collapse, right? Or do you have option two, is you come up here and then re-break and continue towards $100,000? Or is option three, you get and jostle around here, get rejected, and then immediately in the next 1 to 2 weeks start trading back into this, somewhere like this, into this rising channel, and then we look something like that. And then if we break down out of here, then we would have to talk about these major lower targets that would be coming into an effect in the Bitcoin price And the first area would be this major red trading zone that we just had to extend because we haven't had to move it in a while and we have it locked. Would be this this red trading area, and we would have major support and resistance levels. 30,398 would be the bottom part of this red trading area. And as we do know, when you hit things from above it, they like to act as support, right? Let's get this out of here. They like to act as support. Oh, come on. Get over there. They like to act as support. Delete some of this nonsense off making my gorgeous, beautiful chart ugly. But they like to bounce off things, bring our industry exclusive drawing tool back. When they come from above, they like to bounce initially, right? Just like if they're coming from below these boxes, they like to get rejected initially, right? So that would be something that we would look for, and that's what we're looking for. And the